Hi everybody, going to do a quick guitar lesson on Rocky Burnett's Tide of Towing the Line. So let's get right to it. Okay, it starts off 3rd fret E string and then open E, and then 3rd fret A and then 2nd fret E. So it's you do that twice, and then you go. Okay, let me see if I can do this without messing it up. Okay, it's okay. 3rd fret E string, open A, 2nd fret A, open E, then E 2 3, open A, 2 3 A. So it's open G. By the way, the open A that I told you before, you hit that twice, but okay, so you hit that A twice. Then A 2 3, G, D open, and then A 3 2 open. Okay. And then again, second time it's G note, which is the E string 3, A open, A2, open E, then E2 3, A open twice, then A2 3, then E2 3, and then open A, and then into a G chord. Okay? Okay? And you're in the G. Now, after you hit the G, it's 4 simple chords. So you're going to hit G, E minor, C, D. Towing the line. If you want to get rid of me, baby, you're doing just. When you get to the word just after baby, you're doing just fine. It's back to the intro part. Okay. Then he goes into another verse, but when you do that riff there, when you did the intro, you'll notice the riff was in 2 parts. There were 2 different parts to it. The second part of the riff is what you play after that first verse, not the first part of the riff. That you'll play later when you get into the middle of the song. Okay, so he's baby, I'm tired of towing the line. If you want to get rid of me, baby, you're doing just. And then when you hit that D, okay, the second part, that second part of the intro you play, not the first part. Okay, and then he does another verse. Then you play the first part of the riff at the start, because now you're going to go into the middle of the song, and he goes. And then to the C. I know it's over. C to G. 'Cause I seen the signs. Don't let me waste your precious. And then when he gets on the word time, That's C to G, C to G, C to G. Then when it gets on the word time, it goes. You're going to be on the D string, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, and then open on the D string. Then back to 2. Twice on 4th fret D. Open G, and then 2nd fret G. You can also slide if you like, it's kind of cooler. If you want to do that, but the record actually just goes. Okay, and then back to the, the beginning verses. G, E minor, C, and D. And then, I know it's over. Remember, when you end the first verse that you're singing, you play the second part of the intro. When you get into the middle part of the song, I know it's over, you play the first part of the intro. Just remember that, okay? Let me cue this up for a minute, see if I can remember the solo. Okay, I think it's over here. Okay, as far as the solo goes, I'm not sure if I'm 100% right on this because I did this by ear. Either that or my guitar's out of tune. But what you're going to do is on the 12th fret, put your fingers on the G string, 12, 13, 14, and bend. And come back. And then lift and play on the 12th G. So it's kind of like, and then again, and then this time on the B string, 15 and 12, okay, and then again, back to the first part of the solo, and then what you're going to do is you're going to bar the 7th fret, first 3 strings, and then 8th fret hit the B string, and then 10th fret B string, then 8th fret, and then 10th fret. So you can kind of ad-lib a little, okay, or have that echo if you have one of those gadgets for your guitar. Okay, and then back to baby, I'm tired of towing the line. If you wanna get rid of me, baby, you're doing just an end. I know it's over, 'cause I've seen the sign. Don't let me waste your precious. Okay, and the only other thing is, let me see if I can cue it up here. The end has a few riffs in there, solo riffs. See if I can find them. As he fades out, there it is. Okay, so basically, turn that off. You have the same as you were before, 12th fret, 13th, 14th on the G, and you're going to bend like that. Bend in and back, and then just the 12th fret G. So it's, and then on the B string, 10, 11, and 12. Like that, and then hit 10B and 12G. So it's, like that. He does it a few times in the end. You got to listen to the record to get the exact parts, but and I think it sounds best over here. I don't know if my guitar's a little out of whack or what, but anyway, that's basically it. And then it fades out. Tied a toe in the line. And also by the end, near the end part where he does that little solo thing, he goes back to that part where he does just those first 4 notes. And you hear that. And that's about it. Baby, I'm tied a toe in the line. Good luck with it.